This stick reader has been linked to the printer because it was bought together. Now to turn on the printer, it's just one press of the button on the front here. Then if it's fully charged on the batteries, it'll be a constant green light. To get a test print on the printer, you can press the button in quick succession twice. And this will be about a foot long of paper. And this is a thermal printer, so you notice that the print quality is rather bold, and that will indicate the battery is also good, because if it was faint, then that will give you an idea that the batteries are starting to run a bit low. So now I know that's okay. Then the stick reader, you can turn it on, and if I'm going to go to the menu, so when I turn it on, I'm going to hold my finger constantly down, and it will start running through the menu options. As this is linked to a printer, it will have the print options. If it's not linked to a printer, it won't have the print options. I'm just going to let it run through the group, and then when I get to print group, I will take my finger off the button, and then it will communicate with the printer. So now I take my finger off the button, it's saying connecting. Blue light is flashing and it's looking for that printer.